Let's learn English. Myclass, your class.
Today's lesson, feelings and emotions.
She received a gift. She is feeling happy. Happy.
She broke her leg. She is feeling sad. Sad.
She saw the famous actress on the street. She is surprised. Surprised?
She doesn't understand what he is talking about. She is confused. Confused?
The popsicle fell from her hand. She is angry. Angry? Grr.
He has worked all day. He is feeling tired. Tired.
They are going to travel. Wow! They are feeling excited. Excited! And you kids, how are you feeling today?